Required an email marketing specialist. Email marketing is an effective method to get your business fresh in the minds of a client. In fact, this is to be the most used way of marketing by 2028. The contents of your marketing campaign is really essential. You are competing with lots of other businesses for attentions of customers. It has to interest them and encourage them to go to your website and make a purchase. The concept is simple, however, the procedure is much harder. It can be very time consuming. Consider working with an email marketing expert if you are having a hard time with your email marketing process, or simply do not have the time to devote to the process. Just what is email marketing consultant? This is generally a freelancer who has the availabilities in the area of establishing effective email and marketing campaigns. There are services that employ several email marketing experts. They will assist you devise reputable promos, specialists and newsletters for your businesses. The amount of time you utilize an email marketing consultant will depend upon how regularly you plan to send emails to your clients. These experts are very knowledgeable about the email marketing procedure and well as what consumers respond well to. They know the marketplace patterns, the numerous other aspects that are part of the formula. Given that email marketing is such a fundamental part of the entire market idea today, put in the time to investigate the consultants you prepare to use. If they belong to a business, then check them out with the Better Business Bureau. You will find out about any concerns and grievances filed versus the company by other consumers. Examine the internet for evaluations about the company or person. It is necessary to ask the email marketing specialist exactly what they will be offering for you. Request recommendations and details, previous projects they have worked on. A lot of email marketing consultants have a portfolio. Putting the incorrect person in charge of your email marketing can damage the relationship you currently have with your clients. Do not be amazed if you find yourself altering email marketing consultants down the roadway once your service has actually grown and the objectives of the company have changed. Sometimes the relationships can continue long term. However, if your company heads in a different direction, then some changes in marketing and creativity may be in order. An email marketing consultant should want to listen to the goals of your business. They need to be knowledgeable about exactly what you wish to achieve. Bear in mind, they might need to change to your strategy based on the best marketing practice, but they ought to want to go over the modifications with you as well as they are needed. They do not work with them if the expert isn't willing to talk with you about the goals of your company or isn't exactly reached. They may not work, or they may not have too many jobs taking place to do yours justice. Any contact with you and email marketers consultants needs to be plainly positioned in writing for both parties to sign. It may take a marketing campaign or two to begin seeing the impact. You should see a small increase in traffic to your website in addition to sales. Do not expect to see a substantial difference overnight, no matter the service or product you are offering. Your email marketing specialist needs to go over this information with you. A specialist knows the procedure and marketing trends enough to give you a reasonable projection of what to expect. They can also assist your evaluation information that can be utilized to make your next email marketing project more effective. Email marketing is a valuable concept that allows you to reach volumes of customers quickly, efficiently, and cheaply. The procedure can be hard and time-consuming. An email marketing specialist can assist you meet your email marketing campaign goals while enabling you to use your time to operate other elements. If you are struggling with your email marketing process or simply do not have the time to devote to process, consider working with an email marketing consultant. What precisely is an email marketing consultant? There are organizations that employ several email marketing consultants. An email marketing specialist ought to be prepared to listen to the goals of your business. Your email marketing expert should go over this information with you. I hope this information from this short video has helped you. I myself do my own email marketing. I advertise most on YouTube anyway. My channel on YouTube is all about earning money from home or earning money on the internet. How to do it, where to go, what to start with. Now, my YouTube channel, if you wish to look at it, it's got over 300 videos, all on how to make money. Wouldn't hurt you to pop down and look. YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Those videos have gradually been increasing over the months and probably getting better and better as I learnt to do videoing better. So if you'd like to have a look, that's where to go. Other than that, please press the like button below. It's a thumbs up job. Click on that. That gives me the like, and subscribe will be even better. At the top of the page there's a bell. Click on that bell, press all. You'll get informed when I put another video up. So what I'd like to say more is, please do the proper research. Don't get scammed. You need to research everything you want to go into. Research it first. So use a Google, put the name of the company or the person you're going to start with. You'll get pages and pages come up about it. Other than that, you can go to YouTube. With YouTube, you put how to employ a market specialist, how to start on the market scene, or different things you want to put in, you can put in there, come up with videos. So I can wish you all the very best at this stage. Please do your research. Don't forget that, because I don't want you getting scammed. You put a week's work in, spend time going here, going there. Make sure you get the right ones, because you could land up spending a week losing any money you thought you'd earned. So once more, research. That's most important. I would like to say that if you're just starting out and you're going to do a blog or a website, the one program I would recommend is Spin Rewriter. This program I use all the time, whether I'm blogging, web paging, doing videos. I send my keywords to the company, and every month they give me scripts, 50 of them with keywords in covering the subjects I asked for. Also, if you have your own scripts, you can put them into Spin Rewrite and get them spun. You can never get done for copywriting. You can copy off a website, go to SpinRite, put it in there, and it will come up different. You can use it on your website. That's a very, very good program. As far as I'm concerned, one of the best. I've been using it all the time I've been on the internet. So that is Spin Rewrite. So now I can say underneath my video there are several different links. Sites I have joined and enjoyed, and some I still use. I don't still use all of them because I've progressed further, of course, because I've been on the internet quite a while now. So all links underneath my video are affiliated, which means if you press on any of them to go and see what it is, you like it. If you like the tools that are there as well, there's plenty of tools, as I just said. Spin Rewriter is one of the best. Then I get a small commission if you join. This is the way of the internet. So please look if you wish. If not, click that bell and press all, and you'll get informed when I put another video up. You might like the next one. So all the best in your business. Please, please, please press the like button and subscribe. That really helps me with YouTube. This is Ian Jackson saying cheerio for now. Please subscribe.